What's going on, guys? This is Thursday, December the 29th, I think. I'll lose track of it for the holidays. We are working on a foreclosure and using the dump trailer to clean it out. It's going to kind of show you the inside, kind of what we have to deal with. This one, not sure what's going on with this one here, but it stinks really bad. I think it's been vacant a long time. The inside is not terrible. It smells really bad, and I'm gonna open up that refrigerator and see if that's the culprit. But this is for a bank that has hired us to clean it out. Kind of dark in here. I've got to remove those blinds so I can get some light. But it's a small house, but it's got a lot of stuff on the outside. It's probably going to be 7 or 8 loads if I had to guess. We've already loaded 1 load there, and got a little bit of a scrap pile. I think I'm gonna have some more. Sorry for the shaky video quality. This is kind of like a garage that they have built in, I guess. Just kind of show you what all was in it. Just junk, packed. That corner right there is packed all the way up to the ceiling. It's an older house. I'm in Wetumpka, Alabama. And it's got the backyard, another kind of storage building. These are the kind that I just hate because everything is just scattered. And it's been sitting out and there's water in everything. Not a ton, but definitely one of the more aggravating jobs that I could have. It's got a little garage down here that's got some stuff in it, a little storage building. You just kind of see there's just stuff all in the grass, and it's been sitting here. We have to get all this stuff up and get it ready to be sold again. That's it. That's what we're working on this week and next week, depending on the weather. So they'll let us trim those trees over there, and the ones that are touching the house, we'll get paid to do that. And that's just some of what we do for our property preservation, property management business. We just get these foreclosures ready to be resold. So it's a hard business to be in. I've been in it about 7 years now. I left a job at I actually left a career at a Toyota store to do it. So I was a Toyota service manager for 15 years. And I was just looking to get out of that and work for myself. So this is what I primarily do, just property management. So any questions on how to get into that, I'll be proud to help you. I hope y'all are having a good week and had some happy holidays, and I will make another video soon.